What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q, you know, and I am back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today. So today I got an install video, quick install video. Hopefully we're gonna go ahead, got a new exhaust here for the BMW. Now it's not a full exhaust, it is actually just a slip-on, and I'll show you what I got here. It's not SC Project, if you're wondering. I'll explain that here in a second. So it is a boom M4 slip-on, man. So as you see there, so it's an M4 slip-on, beautiful exhaust, one of my favorite. Has a slight scuff there. I got that from a guy off of BMW S1000 group. Thanks to my man Jack Be Quick again for putting me on. Got that off there for 150. So these exhausts usually go for, that one goes for 300 brand new. So I got a pretty good deal on it. It was for 150, half the price. He said he only had about 2,500 miles on it. The SC Project box was actually him getting a SC slip-on and getting rid of that one. So that's the box. I didn't go full exhaust, and I'm not ready to go full exhaust. If you know why, the price on the full exhaust are super expensive. I still got some stuff to red I want to do. I don't even know if I go full exhaust, honestly. The bike is fast as it is, like ridiculous fast. So I don't know if I really want more power. I'm not probably going to be trying to be the fastest guy on YouTube with the bike. I probably just want to get more people into riding, teach people about riding, you know, things like that. Cause a lot of people think riding is just dangerous, especially people I know. That's my plan with the motorcycle. I mean, of course, have some fun, but yeah, that's my plan. To take this is off, super easy. You got a T40 bolt here, right there, and then you got a 13 mil here underneath the back right there. And that's it. You just remove those two, take those off, and then you put the new slip-on. So I do want to weigh it. I weighed it already, but I want to show y'all how much it weighs here. So we do a weight savings comparison. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I'm just going to stand it up, and you can see. Okay, hold on. Turn my scale on. 3.6. So this weighs about 3.6 pounds. So we should have some savings, weight savings here with this one. Let's go ahead and take this off. I do got a new camera lady, Brielle. Well, I might be able to do it myself without her right now. So let's go ahead, take this off. I got my T40 right here. Got my 13 mil right there. Of course, before we swap it out, let's go ahead and do a before and after exhaust test. So let's start it up. She is running. I'm gonna rev it even though it's cold because I don't want the exhaust to get too hot. So we gotta get what we get. All right, so hopefully y'all heard that. Again, I try to do it really quick because I did not want this exhaust to get too hot because I've got to take it off here. Go ahead and get started with the install. I know you thought it was over. I know you thought it was finished. I know you think I'm a cynic. And we're gonna keep this because we're reusing it, so keep that down to get the 13 mil underneath. You pull up in cars, you act like it's yours, but we know that just rent it. Benefited it down. We don't want it your mommy wants. You should have stayed in the house. Don't open your mouth. You lurk in the swamp. Now just kind of, that should be good enough.
Yo, exhibit it. Why is these so white?
So come over here, baby, right here. So now the only thing I gotta do, guys, is just take this and start wiggling it back and forth, and it should come off. Yeah, it's coming out pretty easy. Ooh, just like that. That's the old exhaust. Ooh, definitely got some weight saving. Let's go weigh it. Probably. So, I'll weigh it real quick. You got to push down on this thing to get it to come on first. There we go. It was like 8.4, 8.6, and that one was 3.6 or 3.4. So it's like a 5 pound savings, just about. About 5 pounds. So that's a huge savings, especially when you come to ride a motorcycle. That's a big savings. All right, guys. So next, we're gonna go ahead and install our new exhaust. So basically, everything's already on here. It just bolts right back there. I did read to put some anti-seize. Don't put a lot, just a thin film. Oh, it's kind of gushing out. Just a thin film. So if you do remove it, next time it comes out pretty easy. So I'm just get it right here and just go around, up in there. What you laughing at? So just a little bit, super thin. Apparently, if this does get hot from the exhaust, it just goes down to the mid pipe right there. Won't nothing happen, mad crazy, but yeah, real thin. See, so you can see in there, so you can tell. But anyway, kiss my finger. Kiss my finger.
Whatever.
So now we're just gonna go ahead, slip this side to face me. There you go. Just watch what I'm doing here. So you just go ahead, come and take this and slip it on. That's why it's called a slip on. Just kind of work it down. So, yep. Boom, about right there. You can already tell it looks much better, don't it, than the other one. So now that's on. So I'm gonna go ahead now and tighten up the underneath bolt first. And if you can go down here one point it. Try to kind of twist this underneath. So you don't want it showing. You just want it to be nice and clean. So just kind of twist it to where it's kind of hidden back there. Just gonna semi-tighten this one. Not too much, just a little bit. Go.
I never bore you a gunner, you right on my hit list. Keeping my distance, just checking the listings.
Always tighten it all the way. Then go ahead and swap to my T40 here. Then we'll go ahead and hand thread this one back in there, like so. Line it up first. There we go. Slide right in the hole. Sorry guys, so I'll actually go take the nut off the back of the old exhaust and put it here because I'm gonna need it to tighten it up. I will put some Loctite on it, but I might be taking it off, who knows.
Give me a second, I'm trying to select the appropriate weapon. Watch you.
Now I'm gonna go back down and just go ahead and finish tightening my one down here as well.
So I stopped praying and asking for blessings and started preparing for my Armageddon. Got nothing to lose, I'm all in. Walking the edge, don't fall in. Enough of the lies, don't apologize. I don't understand, are you foreign? This is the place, this is the site.
Alright, that's pretty tight. That's it. This on there. I'm not sure what this exhaust, but after you touch your exhaust like that with your hands and you start it, it's gonna get hot. Don't wipe it off, it's gonna show fingerprints all indents in your exhaust, so you have fingerprints. So I told you, get some WD-40, spray it on towel. I got towels back here, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get some WD-40 really quick, spray it. I'm just gonna wash the exhaust off. I'm not sure if it would. The one I watched the video on was an SC carbon fiber exhaust, so I'm not sure if that's the same with this. But anyway, I'm just gonna do it just to be safe. So let me get that, and then we'll start it up. Put some music over this. Come on, cameraman. Come on, cameraman.
Camera woman.
Camera woman. So I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna wipe. You watching? I'm just gonna wipe it off. Wipe it off. Wipe. You wanna do this part? No. So. Alright. It should be pretty clean. Wipe it off. Now, stand up. Let's do the start up. The new sound. You ready? Here we go, guys. Start up. Really quick, I'm gonna put a towel behind it just to make sure we're no whistling, make sure it's tight. Over here. You can see we get no whistle. Good. All right, ready? Put it up. The sound I think sounds really good. The bike is still pretty cool, so it wasn't really warmed up, but overall I think the sound sounds good. It looks a lot better than of course that old factory exhaust over there. Nice short, you know, short appearance. Yeah, looks pretty good, man. If you want this louder, you definitely can remove the silencer right here. You literally just get some pliers and see these two little clamps. I think that, and you just pull them out and you can pull this whole thing out because right now that's still in there. So if you want it louder, you definitely can pull it out. I'm not, I'm gonna leave mine as is. I don't want to be too loud, too crazy. Going for a ride tomorrow for the first time with it on, so we'll see how it sounds, but you definitely can do that. Now I'm just about to clean the bike up really quick because I'm actually gonna ride tomorrow morning. So we just gonna clean this up, get everything back. But thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. We'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
I know you thought it was finished. I know you think I'm a cynic, but you know this only business. People act different as soon as you win it, man. I know this shit ain't no different. You pull up in cars, you act like it's yours, but we know that shit just rent it. Benefit of the doubt, we the ones that your mommy wants. You a bitch, should've stayed in the house. Don't open your mouth. We